Here Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. If sum of their ages is 56 years, find their ages. Now here to solve this age problem with linear equation, we will first have to keep one of the two persons' age as x. Now here we will keep Rahul's age as x and Rahul's father will be he is thrice the age of Rahul. That means it will be 3x. Now if sum of their ages is 56, that means this plus this will be 56. X plus 3x is equal to 56. Now find their ages. Then if we solve this equation, we will easily get what is their age. So x plus 3x will be 4x is equal to 56. Now this 4 will go here in the division part as it is in the multiplication part here. So 5, 6 divided by 4. It will easily get cancelled and you will get here 14. So x is equal to 14. That means age of Rahul is 14. As age of Rahul is x, age of Rahul is 14. Now Rahul's father's age is 3x. So 3x is equal to 14 multiplied by 3 equal to 42 years. Now Rahul's father's age is 42 years.